Every single day, hotels, restaurants, and celebration discard large amount of perfectly edible food, not because it's spoiled, but because there is no system to redistribute it efficiently. Meanwhile, countless workers, families, and daily wage earners skips meal because they simply can't afford a decent dinner. That gap between surplus and scarcity is what we aim to close. Introducing Sufra, an intelligent AI powered platform that connects hotel and restaurant with the surplus food to people seeking affordable meals. Hotels can list surplus dishes at reduced prices and user can discover their nearby option that matches their budget, taste and location all in real time. It's not just about saving food, it's about saving dignity, fighting hunger and driving sustainability in the alignment with UN Sustainable Development Goals. Here is how Sufra works. Hotel and restaurant upload surplus food details like item, price, quantity, and expiry. Data is then stored securely in a real-time database. User then enter their budgets and preferences and Sufra fetches their GPS locations. Then the AI engine, built using the LangChain, LangGraph, and Gemini, filters listing by price, distance, and freshness and rank the best matches. User can then book and pay instantly, receiving a QR code for the pickup. Our stack includes React, React Native for the interface, Fast API, Django, and MongoDB for the backend, Google APIs for the geolocations, and deployment on AWS. Our future scope goes beyond redistribution. We're building an AI-powered support ecosystem for both the sides of the platform. For hotels, AI will handle technical accelerations like dashboard error, data sync issues, or AI forecasting queries. It will also schedule training sessions for onboarding new partners. For users, our AI assistants will offer self-service support, refund management, and a real-time chat resolution, ensuring a smooth and a transparent experience. This dual AI service layer guarantees reliability, trust, and continuous learning, evolving with every interaction. With Sufra, surplus turns into smile. Waste becomes the hope. From empowering hotels to act sustainability to ensure every worker finds a warm meal. We are redefining how technology can serve humanity. So this is Sufra, connecting plates and changing lives.